Welcome to the channel Insight. Under the first light of dawn, the air is filled with the scent of earth and morning dew. Across the wide green fields, millions of young tomato plants reach toward the sky, their leaves shimmering under the golden sun. Here begins the incredible story of one of the world's most beloved fruits, the tomato. It is a journey that stretches from seed to soil, from factory to family table. Behind every bright red tomato lies the care, patience, and dedication of farmers, workers, and countless hands that make this simple fruit a global staple. Long before the first seed touches the soil, the preparation begins. Farmers start by plowing the land, turning the soil to loosen it, and allow air and moisture to reach deep into the ground. The soil is tested carefully to restore fertility. Compost or well-decomposed manure is added, blending with the soil to create a soft, fertile base. Then the land is leveled and shaped into long ridges. Music. In many modern farms, drip irrigation lines are laid along each row, ensuring every plant receives just the right amount of water while minimizing waste. This early preparation, though invisible to the casual eye, decides the success of the entire crop.
Know you've been a good friend.
Farmers select high-quality seeds, tiny golden grains no larger than a pinhead. These seeds are sown into trays filled with soft, moist soil and kept inside greenhouses. Here, temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to provide the perfect environment for germination. Within a week, tiny green shoots appear. By the time they reach 15 to 20 centimeters tall, with sturdy stems and deep green leaves, they are ready to face the open field. Early in the morning, when the air is cool and calm, farmers begin transplanting. The young plants are carefully lifted from the nursery and placed into the prepared soil. They are spaced evenly, about half a meter apart, allowing each plant room to grow and breathe. After transplanting, the first irrigation begins. Gentle streams of water flow through the drip lines, moistening the soil and helping the roots settle in. Plastic mulch is often spread along the rows to retain moisture, prevent weeds, and keep the fruits clean once they begin to form. Over the next few weeks, the plants adapt to their new home. They grow taller and stronger, and soon small yellow flowers begin to bloom. Tomatoes are sensitive plants that demand constant attention. Throughout their growing period, farmers monitor them closely. Farmers regularly prune extra leaves to improve air circulation and sunlight exposure. Watering follows a strict rhythm. Too much water causes cracking, too little leads to stunted growth. With modern technology, many farms now use sensors to measure soil moisture and deliver water precisely where it's needed. They start out small and green. Week by week they grow larger, turning from pale yellow to vibrant orange, and finally the deep red color that signals ripeness. In the morning sun, the fields seem to glow with endless rows of red fruit, the season's reward. Harvesting is both an art and a race against time. Tomatoes are delicate. One wrong move can bruise or crush them. For fresh market tomatoes, workers harvest by hand, twisting each fruit gently from the stem and placing it into shallow baskets. They pick only those that are fully colored but still firm, ensuring they can survive transportation. For large-scale production, especially for tomatoes destined for sauces and canned goods, mechanical harvesters are used. These powerful machines can pick several tons per hour, gently shaking the vines and collecting only ripe fruit. Once harvested, the tomatoes are shaded immediately to prevent overheating and loaded onto clean trucks. Every minute counts. Fresh tomatoes begin to soften within hours of being picked. At the processing plant, the journey continues. Trucks filled with bright red tomatoes arrive and are weighed before unloading. The tomatoes are poured onto long stainless steel conveyor belts and carried into the washing section. Powerful water jets and rotating brushes remove dirt, stems and leaves, leaving only clean, shiny fruit. Next comes the inspection line, where workers and optical scanners work side by side. Cameras detect imperfections while human eyes catch subtle details machines may miss. Damaged or overripe tomatoes are separated and repurposed into animal feed or organic fertilizer. Nothing goes to waste before tomatoes can be turned into sauce, juice, or paste. They must be peeled. In most factories, this is done using steam blanching. The tomatoes are briefly exposed to hot steam that loosens their skin. The skins are then blown off by air pressure or gently removed by rollers. Once peeled, the tomatoes are crushed and passed through sieves to separate seeds and fibers. The resulting pulp is rich, fragrant, and ready for cooking. For whole peeled or diced tomatoes, the heating process is shorter to maintain texture. Each product requires precise temperature control and timing, a blend of science and craftsmanship. From here, the thick red mixture flows through sterile pipes to the filling section. Automated machines fill hot tomato sauce or paste into sterilized cans, glass jars, or pouches. Each container is sealed instantly to keep out air and preserve freshness.